what size clamp connector do you need for a 1/2 inch knockout? The answer is 3/8 inch, to the best of my knowledge. If that's all you came here for, you can just close out my video, smart ass. I'm going to be rambling for the next couple of minutes. So where was I? Oh, so yeah, this is what it looks like once it's installed. And you just put it through, and on the inside you would twist on a nut to secure it. So basically when you run, for example, a Romex wire through it, it holds it in place as well as prevents it from getting cut on the sharp circular edges. And perhaps, to the best of my knowledge, it is NEC compliant at that point. Comes in a 5-pack. So for example, at Home Depot, I recall there was one aisle and 2 aisles of electrical products. So where I purchased this electric box, or junction box, however you want to call it, if you walk approximately 60 feet down the aisle, you can see a bunch of products on the shelf. You want to be on the lookout for this. It says 3/8 inch clamp connector. So anything that says 3/8 inch, also be aware that there's different variations, so pay attention to that. Hope this helps somebody. Until next time, take care everyone.